Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your study abroad commitment with global experiences, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your original study abroad plans. Identify the reasons for your commitment change. Consider personal, academic, or financial factors. Research alternative study abroad programs that may better fit your needs. Visit official program websites for updated information. Reach out to academic advisors or program coordinators for support. Discuss your situation and express your desire to continue with global experiences. Explore deferral options if your initial program offers them. Prepare a list of programs that pique your interest. Evaluate the pros and cons of each option. Check application deadlines for programs you're interested in. Compile any necessary documents for reapplication or deferral. Stay in touch with previous contacts from your original program. Join online forums or social media groups related to studying abroad. Network with alumni who have experienced programs of interest. Share your story to gain insights and advice. Create a timeline for your decision-making process. Set goals for what you hope to achieve in your study abroad experience. Consider applying for scholarships or financial aid to support your journey. Review your university's policies regarding study abroad commitments. Prepare a strong personal statement highlighting your motivations. Gather recommendations from professors or advisors who can vouch for you. Submit your application or deferral request promptly. Stay proactive and follow up on your application status. Keep an open mind about potential changes to your study abroad experience. Embrace the opportunity for personal growth and new experiences. Reflect on your motivations throughout this process. Remember that recovery is a journey, and adapting is part of it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.